Hi boys and girls, hola boys and girls. I wanted to show you some really neat things that have been going on since we've all been staying at home. So I brought all of our plants home and I put them in pots and I wanted to show you how they've been growing. So remember Noah was talking about a greenhouse? I don't have a greenhouse. So I had to make a greenhouse. So I took some plastic and I put it over this pan, and then it will keep the plants nice and wet and it will help them to grow. Are you ready to see what's inside? Let's check it out. Wow, look at this. Look at all your plants and how they're growing. Look at how tall they've gotten. I wonder how many plants are growing. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look, 7. It's a tiny little plant there. And we have 8. A tiny little plant there. 8 plants are growing. I don't know what they are yet. We'll have to find out. Which one do you think is the tallest plant? I think this plant is the tallest plant. Which one do you think is the shortest plant? Maybe this plant over here is the shortest plant. Look at all these leaves. If you want to come closer, I'll show you the different parts of this plant. This is the soil down here. This long piece is called the stem, and these are the leaves of the plant. And I've been giving your plants lots of water and sun. It's too cold today with the snow to go outside, so I kept them inside. But they're green and they're strong and they're tall. I have one more special surprise. This is the plants I've been growing at home, and I made a little greenhouse. I made it with the pot, and I took an egg carton and I put some plastic over it. And let's see how these ones, I have not looked at these yet. Let's see how they're growing. Oh my goodness, check out these plants. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different plants are growing in our garden. So we have 6 plants over here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants over here. What is 6 and 8? 6 plants here, 8 plants here. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 plants all together, and they're growing so big and strong, and I am keeping them safe for you. And I'll take them to school and I'll show you when we go back. I have a job for you. It's a very important job. I need you to do 2 things for me. I need you to draw a picture this weekend of one of our plants. Come closer and decide which plant would you like to draw. These ones are very short and skinny. These ones are very tall. There's many plants over here, and they have different leaves than these plants. There's some beans growing over here. These plants look very different than these plants. So I want you to look slowly at all of the plants. And I want you to try to decide what plants you would like to draw. I want to show you a little bit how to do this. Are you ready? Let's come over here where there's some paper. So my plants are not orange, right? My plants are not red or pink. My plants are green. And my soil is brown. So I would like you to take your pencil and I want you to color some soil. Maybe you want to do little dots of soil. Maybe you want to do little scribbles of soil. Maybe you want your soil to be very beautiful and just kind of all over the place growing. You want to just color it in nice and brown. There's our soil. Our soil we need to grow the plants. There we go. There's our soil. And then we need a stem. All of our plants have stems. Very long stems. Some have very short stems. Some have very fat stems. And some have very skinny stems. I think I'm going to make this plant over here with a very fat stem and a very big leaf. It looks like it might have 2 leaves on there. So I'm going to draw a very fat stem like this. And it looks like my leaves are at the top of my plant. not over here on the sides of my plant. They're up here at the top of my plant. So I'm gonna draw one here like an oval and one here like an oval. And then I'm gonna decorate my plants. Maybe I want them to have some lines in them. Maybe I want them to have some green in the stem. Now this plant is a baby plant, and the word for a baby plant is a sprout. Let's write that. S-P-R-O-U-T, sprout. And I would like you to please send me your pictures of your sprouts, and then we can talk about them again, okay? That's gonna be your homework for this weekend, so please work hard, and I wanna see all your pictures on Monday. Your mommies and daddies have my number, and they can send me your pictures of your sprouts, okay? Bye, guys.